Hello dear students, welcome back to online class from LPM Public School in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am Jaina Mirza of your English subject teacher. I hope you will be fine at your home, but you will study continue with us by the help of online classes. So, let's we do start the exercise. But before the do exercise, I will explain again this story. The name of this story is Mr. Toad Goes for a Ride. Ride means a short journey. This is a classic and interesting story of Mr. Toad Goes for a Ride. There are three characters in this story, but Toad is the main characters in this story. They are Rat, Mole and their friends. This story moves around the Mr. Toad Goes for a Ride and their friends. This story written by Kenneth Graham. One day Rat and Mole went to meet their friends Toad. Toad was sitting in the garden and welcomed them warmly. Hooray! You are just the friends I wanted to see. It was about rowing your new boat, I suppose. Toad led them to the stable yard and showed them a bright yellow carriage. Oh, pooh, boating, it was a silly waste of time. I gave that up long ago. I had found the real thing. Come with me to the stable yard and see. There was real life for you in that little carriage. Travel, change, excitement. Why don't we go for a ride this afternoon? I am not coming. Come on, Rat. I only want you fellows to have fun. But, Rat, it might be fun. Come on, Rat. I only want you fellows to have fun. Finally, Rat agreed to go for the ride. There are three friends drove through the town. Toad was proud of his carriage. Passers-by stopped and greeted them. Oh my, what a beautiful carriage. Good day, Mr. Toad. Suddenly, they heard a broom broom sound behind them. A motor car sped past them, leaving a cloud of dust. It upset the carriage. Hey, can't you see and drive? The carriage fell into a ditch. Rat was angry. I will complain to the police. But Toad seemed to be under a spell. He had found a new interest. What a glorious sight! What a magnificent thing! What do we do with them? Nothing. When he likes something, he thinks of nothing else for some time. Look, Toad, you had to go to the police station and file a complaint against the driver. Police station complaint, me complain about that wonderful motor car? Never. You see, he was quite hopeless. I give up. We can't leave him here. Fine, but I will never go on a trip with Toad again. At last moment, in this story, their precious carriage landed in a ditch on the side. Then Toad and their friends couldn't manage the carriage. Then they decided we will never go on a trip with Toad again. So you can understood this story about the Toad's journey as carriage. So let's we start worksheet. Do you know what you mean by ride? Ride means a short journey. Next, rowing. What you mean by rowing? The sport of racing sails. And do you know what you mean by stable yard? A yard connecting horses. Okay. And do you know what is carriage? One of the separate parts of train where people sit. Okay, let's come to the exercise A. Write true or false for these sentences. First is Toad invited Rat and Mole for a boating trip. This is right or wrong? This is true or false? Hello everyone. Focus on the exercise A. Write true or false for these sentences. Question number 1. Toad invited Rat and Mole for a boating trip. It is true or false? It is false. Because Toad was not invited them. Okay. So next, come to the next question. Toad served his friends a bright yellow carriage. Okay. This is true or false? This is true. Next, Rat was excited about the carriage ride. It is false. Okay. Fourth is the car was Toad's new interest. It is true. Rat wanted to complain against the car driver. You know very well about the story. Rat really wanted to complain against the driver. Okay. So it is correct sentence. Next, come to the next question, next exercise B. Answer this question. Question number 1. Why was Toad excited to see Rat and Mole? So, you will write, you can say Toad was excited to see Rat and Mole because they were his friends. Okay. And next question, what did Toad invite Rat and Mole for? Then you will write, or you can say Toad invited Rat and Mole for a carriage riding. What did the passers next? Now the next question, what did the passers by say when they saw the carriage. So you will write, or you can say, the passers-by told that it was a beautiful carriage. Okay. And next question, what happened as they rode the carriage? So you can say, or you will write, when they rode the carriage, a motor car at a high speed passed them by, which upset the carriage and it fell into a ditch. Okay, because their carriage fell in fell into a ditch. Ditch means a narrow hole. Okay, understood? Okay, come to the next question. Question number 5. How did Toad feel when we saw the car? Okay. How did Toad feel when he saw the car? Okay. So you will write, or you can say, Toad was excited when he saw the car. Okay. Toad was excited when he saw the car. Okay. Next, what was Rat's reaction to Toad? Means, what is the reaction of Rat for Toad? Okay. So you will write, or you can say, Rat told that he will never go on a trip with Toad again. Okay. At the last moment, at the last story, a rat said to the Toad, I will never go on a trip with Toad again. Okay. Next, you can do self. Okay, and given for you these activities, you can do this from the help box. Okay, thank you. And you can do this in your CW copy and learn and practice at your home. Thank you watching for video. Goodbye.